What's going on, everybody? Jason here, and today we're back at Nismo's garage and he's working on a little something, so let's check it out. Hey Nismo, what are you working on today?
Well, I just finished putting together my head and the rest of the shit that goes along with it.
I don't think it looks finished.
Give me a good 15 minutes.
15 minutes, alright, timer's on. Let's get a little background on what's going on right now.
Last Friday.
Last Friday, he blew a head gasket. For the record, he blew his head gasket. But being the Nissan mechanic that he is, being resourceful, he decided to pull the head. And you did it without taking the turbos off, right?
Damn right.
Pulled the head off. Put the new head gasket on. We got David here. You might remember David.
What's up?
He's been in a bunch of the videos. He's got that beautiful midnight purple R33. And yeah, so this is where we're at right now.
The whole top.
Yeah, the whole top is back together.
I got pictures.
Yeah, we'll get some photos up.
I got pictures.
But I'll post a link below, and I'll put a little card on here so you guys can go check out the Nismo garage video I posted a while back when we were rearranging everything.
Tell them to check out my Facebook page. Man.
Yeah, I'll put Nismo's Facebook page below, especially if you're in Okinawa and you're looking to get some work done on your car. Are you ASE certified?
Well,
He was ASE certified, but he hasn't forgot, you know, how to mechanic. But if you need anything done on your car, definitely hit him up. I'll put his Facebook page, his business page down below, and you can go check him out, see some of the stuff he's done. And go check out his YouTube channel too. I'll post that below as well. Give him some love. He's bad at posting videos of all the stuff he's doing on cars, so I kind of take it upon myself.
what had happened was, let me explain.
Here we go.
Here we go. Excuses.
Here we go.
If you guys would let me explain, I've been real busy.
Yeah, that's what they all say.
So I didn't have a chance to kind of post some stuff, so you know, shit happened. And I mean, shit didn't happen. But you know, it's okay. They're coming. I promise you they're coming. The good stuff. There they are.
Just like your Nissan Pulsar GTR over here.
I got the whole video of the removal of the start and everything.
Where's your flashlight at? We're gonna check this car out. Nice little SR20. What is this? What is this? Why?
I want to make it.
Is that a heat shield?
Yes, it's heat shield, but I'm gonna change this.
Custom heat shield. Why?
Once I go single, all this is going bye-bye.
Hey, is that Reynolds foil?
Huh?
Is that Reynolds foil? The stuff you buy at the grocery store?
It is not.
That is aluminum foil. Okay, alright.
Tape.
Alright, just making sure. I thought it was kitchen foil.
Oh my god. You're trying to play me weak, y'all.
So you're gonna go single turbo? Is that what I heard?
Oh, I don't know.
You heard him. I got it on video.
Delete the video. Delete the footage. Delete the footage.
So we're getting there. He said it was gonna be about 15 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes.
Been talking and shit.
It's been about 5 minutes since I last filmed.
We were talking.
Got valve covers back on. Nismo's gonna pray to the Nissan gods and go ahead and turn the key.
That's right. And we'll be drifting pretty soon.
Drifting tonight.
We've been drifting tonight, boys. Fucking oil cap went, Mike.
Look at David. He's turning the wrench like he knows what he's doing.
Sulfate right here. This is just a commercial right here.
What's in your home? Like that shirt? I love my mask. I had a mask.
I know.
It was turbocharged.
Pixar didn't happen, you know?
Look on Facebook, man. It's on there. Dance with me. Come on, come on. Put your fingers together. Get this. Here we go. Come on. Come on, Daddy. Come on, Daddy.
He's like, I'll dance when it fires up and I hear it purring.
I don't like how I had to.
This is gonna be my contribution right here to the RB26 fix. This is the hardest part right here.
You do it. You do it. Yeah.
I don't know if I'm qualified. What I gotta do? I gotta weld it on there?
I gotta look at your TBA first.
We're getting there. Split fire coils, new catch can.
Liking.
What else you got? I see the HKS intercooler piping. Got some cam gears. Pod filters.
Round them on the front. Double cam gears. You know it gotta be more horsepower.
No, this is the horsepower right here. 20 horsepower?
50.
50.
That's what the manual said.
Man, you got a watch down here? So you can see how long you've been working on your car?
Once I go single, that's going away too. I mean, yeah.
There it is. You heard it again. Single coming out the mouth. And a perfect song just came on. Oh, do it. Do it.
Girl. Hey, this is for you.
Hey man, you gotta feel it.
Damn, GTR. Ow! Girl, I don't see nothing wrong with it.
Oh.
Put it down. Let's put it down.
All right, here we go.
You need, son.
That belt.
She ready. Huh?
The power stand belt. It's kind of
Oh, yeah.
funny.
Oh.
Alright.
Bottom is good.
You're a magician, man. I give that the thumbs up right there. What do you think, David? Did you believe in him?
Of course. This guy is a magician.
Man. Fucking Dr. Nismo back in the lab.
Well,
Yeah, hell yeah.